How to open a Demat account online. One can open a Demat account in two ways, online and offline. In this video, we will detail the steps required to create an online Demat account. Step 1. Select a SEBI registered NSDL DP that meets your needs and go to their mobile app or website or digital platform. Step 2. Commence the process and follow the on-screen instructions, which will broadly comprise: verify your mobile number and email ID through OTP sent on your mobile number and email ID. The mobile number provided as part of KYC should preferably be the one seeded with Aadhaar to facilitate e-signing of the document. In case the KYC document is available on KRA, the same can be relied and downloaded. In case investor is new to market, then Aadhaar-based KYC. The OVD documents comprising proof of identity and proof of address can be downloaded from DigiLocker. Normally, digitally signed Aadhaar is commonly downloaded from the DigiLocker. SEBI registered NSDL DP verifies your PAN details, including the status of PAN seeding with Aadhaar using the income tax database. SEBI registered DP verifies your bank account details using penny drop mechanism or any other mechanism using API of the bank, or you may upload copy of signed cancelled check. Enter details such as details of spouse, income range, nomination or opt out of nomination, etc. Take a live photograph. In-person verification or video in-person verification is not required in case OTP-based eKYC, biometric-based eKYC, offline verification of XML file, offline verification of Aadhaar QR code, OVDs downloaded from DigiLocker, KYC downloaded from KRA and client consent by OTP, documents from any other source which could be verified online. Upload picture of your signature on white paper. The signature can be cropped from signed cancelled check or signature on a white paper submitted by the client. E-sign the entire KYC document using electronic or digital signature, including Aadhaar e-sign. To open NSDL Demat account online, please click and choose the DP of your choice to open Demat online.